She said I ain't got no heart, bitch. Ice.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be playing with the brand new Morphe James Charles palette. I'm probably like the latest fucking YouTuber on here to play with this, but let me just tell you guys, like, I know that I'm in a up mood, but I just want to like really be honest with you guys. I've been going through a lot, you guys, and me filming is just showing you guys my strength and me trying to mask my emotions. So today I just decided to play with color and bring a lot of bright colors, even though I don't feel like this inside, you know. So I know I'm a little late with the whole James review. I told you guys on my Instagram that I was been supposed to do this video because I actually got the palette when it first came out, and I had so many ideas, you guys. I'm not even gonna front, but lately, like I said, my mind is just not all here, and I really did not know what look that I wanted to do, but I still wanted to bring a video out, and I still wanted to talk about how I feel about the formula. Do I think you guys should purchase the palette, and like my thoughts on it? So I still wanted to use it, but I really just could not think of a look. So today I was inspired actually by James Charles, of his promo cover, his packaging, and I wanted to just literally take his eyes and put them on me, on my face. Okay, so that's what I did. I literally stole his look. He is sister shook right now. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys my take on the look on the little James Charles thing. I was gonna do all the white paint, you guys, but like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a glam look. I hope you guys still enjoy it. So yeah, and I know you see we about to be at 200K, so please do me the favor, please hit that subscribe button if you guys want to be down with the Prima Donna Nation, because y'all bitches already know how we do. We slay all day, hold on, my ponytail. We slay all day, every day, you guys, and thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye. You guys, so jumping into voiceover as usual, we are about to do a sister slay, but of course before we get into the makeup, you guys know we have to start off with the skincare. Skincare is always first if you want your makeup to be flawless. So I put you guys on in my last video to this product I have been loving, and this is by 7 Minerals. This is their original Aloe Vera Gel. And this product has quickly become a staple in my makeup routine. Like, I have to use it now. Like I said, it is a gel consistency, so it does come out pretty thick, you guys. You guys can see, even though it is a thicker consistency, it does not leave like a sticky residue on the face. It is actually pretty lightweight, even though it is a gel. So yeah, if anybody is interested, you can find this product on Amazon, but of course I will leave the link of it in the description box, as well as my coupon code, so definitely check it out. So I'm quickly gonna put on my eyebrows. You guys know I always speed through this because it's just the same old routine. I just use a pencil. So yeah, I'm using the Anastasia brow definer pencil, and right now I'm about to contemplate whether I want to use the concealer to prime my eyeshadow or an actual eyeshadow primer, because James Charles did say that you need to use this palette with a primer, but I don't like to use eyeshadow primer, so I'm just gonna say fuck the primer. We gonna use the concealer because I'm about that life. But then I was like, damn, what if my look is ruined? But fuck it, you only live once, and I wanted to see if the palette would work with concealer, and honestly it worked great. I'm gonna be real, like, I was kind of shook if I was gonna like ruin it, but it ended up working out. So hands down, you guys, the packaging of this Morphe James Charles palette is gorgeous. I hit my milli with the palette, girl, because you already know I love makeup, and this is definitely a eyeshadow palette that you need. Even if you collect makeup, it is just such an artistry palette. You can create so many looks. 39 shadows for $39, I believe, and like, come on, you cannot go wrong. That is a steal. So with that price point, girl, like, we could make it work. Now let's talk about formula. So I told you guys in the beginning that I did not know what look I'm gonna do, so I was gonna do the look inspired on the cover of the palette. So yeah, so as far as formula so far, how can I put this? Okay, it's good, okay? I don't want to bash it, but I'm very, very critical when it comes to eyeshadow. I liked it though. I really liked it. There was a few shades that were a bit powdery, not gonna lie. Like a lot of it had a lot of kickback, but he did say that these were pressed pigments, not pressed eyeshadows. So I'm guessing pigments are a little bit more pigmented, of course, so that should be pretty normal. I actually like a little bit of kickback in my eyeshadows because I feel like if it's pressed too hard, you don't get enough pigments. So I didn't really complain. Another thing that I did want to mention as far as this eyeshadow, it also works with the tools that you use. I noticed that like if I used a fluffier brush, I wouldn't get like a pigmented payoff, but then if I went in more with like a crease brush, I would get more of a pigmented payoff. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just got eyeshadow on my elbow. Like, what is good with me? Like, how do you do that? But whatever. So the look ended up being really beautiful, you guys. I liked it, the fact that all of the eyeshadows were blendable. I will give it that. Like, they were super duper blendable. So overall, I think that this palette is actually a must-have. Like, I didn't really have any problems with it. Just some of the shades were a bit powdery, but like I said, he did say that it was pigments. So yeah. So as far as this look, all I did was basically map out where I want the colors, and then it's a lot of building, okay? I'm not gonna lie. You have to keep packing on colors, and placement is key. So you have to have a lot of brushes to pull off this look, so be prepared for that. So after I got my rainbow crease looking all cute or whatever, I am now gonna cut my crease, you guys, and I am using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer as well. And then I am gonna set that concealer with some white. And then now I'm just gonna work on the lid shades as well. This look came out so beautiful, and thank you for all the love, you guys, on my IG. Like, I was like, ooh girl, yes. So I definitely want to bring some more color onto my channel, you guys. So if you like more colorful looks, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know, you know, let's use more color this coming season. So anyway, moving on to this glitter. This is a pressed glitter by Glitter Injections. I will leave the name of this shade down below. But it is like a white glitter. And then now I'm going to use this other glitter from Glitter Injections as well. And this one is more of like a chunkier, flaky kind of glitter. So I just added that one in the inner corner. And now I am just going to quickly throw on my wing, you guys. I never incorporate my wing because it's so damn hard to film. So bear with me, you guys. The clips that I do get, I try my best. All right. So I did just pop on lashes off camera, and now we're just gonna move on to the face. Let's give the eyes a break for a second, and I am gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. You guys know it's either this or my NARS Natural Radiant. Like, my favorite foundations at the moment are these two, and every time I use this foundation in particular, I always use the go-to Born This Way concealer. Like, it's just hand in hand with the foundation. They're both amazing and they blend out great. I really love this concealer, you guys. Like, it's like hands down so comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, but to me it's a little bit like lighter in consistency. Like, it's not as thick as the Shape Tape, but it has the same coverage, which I love. Oh, why did I say coverage like that? Coverage, okay? So setting that with my Derma blend, nothing new. So let's move on. And now we just gonna basically bronze up the face. Again, nothing new with my damn MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. Guys, can y'all please give me some damn bronzer recommendations in the comments? I need a new bronzer. I swear, I've been using this for way too long. I'm like even sick of looking at it in my videos. Like, no shade. So jumping back into the eyes, we're going to do the lower lash line now. And can we talk about this blue? Like, that is a blue, okay? For this being a Morphe eyeshadow, Morphe is like more of like an affordable brand. The pigment is there. Like, that I will say. Like, the pigment was there, you guys. Bomb. So in the photo, he did have like these little lower lash things, you know, a little moment going on. So I did just add like little individual lashes. I only added like one to my lower lashes, and now I'm just going to highlight. I'm using the highlighter in the palette, and girl, was we beaming. We was glowing for the gods. I really liked it, that highlighter. So that's cute because I never really like highlighters that come in my eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, I'm weird like that, but this one was really cute. So I'm just gonna finish off with my lip. I did pair this look with a nude, and now we're gonna finish with some setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Mist, and I absolutely love the way this look came out. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye.